whatever. I'll just do my best.
Okay, this is coming out to 121st. Okay, Allison, turn to the right. There's the road. Okay, now turn to the right. Or no, we're going to turn here. Let's see what's happening. This is the new construction over here. That's how wide it's going to be.
Is that 4 lanes or 5?
It's going to be 5 because there's some here on the right too.
Oh, yeah. Tell me when to stop.
I want you to turn it when we get to Aspen.
Okay.
Turn right.
Sorry, video watchers. That strip at the top of your windshield makes the sky look really blue in this video. Oh, that's deep. I thought I knew what Kelly was saying yesterday, but I guess I didn't.
Okay, now we're turning right onto Aspen.
Don't fall off the cliff.
I know, it's way down there. What's going on?
You're in the, are you on the wrong side of the road?
I am on the wrong side of the road. Sorry.
It's weird.
That was weird, I'm sorry. Don't show that to Kelly, she'll laugh.
If she sees this video, she'll know.
That's what I mean. I said don't show it to her.
Oh. I thought you were on the right side of the road until there were cars. They didn't do a very good job of showing where you were supposed to go.
I